How to find someone's house on Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps and at the top on your search bar, simply search the location. After you have found the location, go back. Simply press on back. We will lead you to this page. And at the top right, you will find layers, which is diamond-like shape. Click on it. Then at the bottom, you'll find Street View. Click on Street View, which will enable this kind of map. And at the map, click on blue line. Then you'll be able to see the street view. And this is how to find someone's house on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.